Hello my friends, short review, VICTORINOX RANGERGRIP 61 red and black. And let's see how it looking for, how it work. We have short manual, at least let's see it. How it look, this one liner lock. And a lot of not very interesting, but I will show you it. So classical colors from VICTORINOX. So you see two lines of tools, liner, one hand. At least I can use it by one hand, but it's not very comfortable. Those are classical. I will show you later how it works. And here we have two tools. Also, what we have here. Let's compare sizes with, for example, Mora knife, bushcraft model, little bigger. For example, alternative is folder, also from Vix. Here we have bag. And at least RANGERGRIP have a lot of modification, but I think it's a little too much. It's not it, but RANGERGRIP has similar models with a lot of tools, and just compare it. So let's see how it work, how it looking for, and we will continue. So at first let's check these products. Easy using. I think it's bread. It's big knife, and for one cutting it can cut any type of products, or tomato, or bread, or something else. And you can make simple dishes with only one knife. But I also want to show you how it works with opener. It's very simple when you understand how it works. Just take with your knife, it should be clean. So for one cutting we just open it, and then by one moving, little hard, but when you will understand how it works, will be all very simple. Next one, what I want to show you, work with wood, cause for kitchen working there are some better knives, even from VICTORINOX, but they cannot be good for those kind of using when you should make a fire or something other things. And just see how it looking for in the wood, and let's continue. What else I want to show you? Here in liner, in hidden place, we have hole all for ordinary beads, and better would be if it will be open, you can change those parts or just make hole, and it would be useful. At least I see it like a knife for camping, for some kitchen using, during not extremal outdoor activities. For extremal it should be of course fixed like Mora or like something like Hunter Pro, for example. There are a lot of good knives besides folder from Victorinox for outdoor activity. This one, if you want to go on a picnic for half of day, and if you want to use it on products, and it can be. So in description would be a link for my text review, would be a link for a place where you can buy it, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, bye bye.